Hello, creators! Welcome to Rendora Academy. Recently, we've received many questions from the community about credits. The Rendora team has put together a FAQ about credit tutorial to clarify things for you. Question 1. What are credits? Credits are a type of currency in Rendora which can be used to exchange for the GPU power needed to generate GenAI videos. You can think of them as tokens in ChatGPT, where consumption is based on usage. You can check the remaining credits at the bottom left of the homepage. Or hover your mouse over your profile in the top right corner and click on Credit History to view your credit consumption. Question 2. How can new users obtain credits? New users can receive free trial credits upon registration. Question 3. What is the validity period of credits? When you purchase and activate a plan, the credits included with the plan become valid. However, these credits are closely tied to the plan's validity. Once your plan expires, the credits within it will also expire and can no longer be used. For credits purchased separately, they will remain valid as long as your plan is active. If your plan is downgraded to the trial version, separately purchased credits cannot be used under the trial version. However, if you upgrade back to the original or a higher plan, your credits will be usable again. Question 4. Where can I purchase additional credits? If you are a personal or team user, there are two ways to purchase additional credits. Path 1. Click the plus symbol next to the credits balance displayed at the bottom left of the homepage. Choose the appropriate credits package. Click Pay Now and select a payment method. The credits will become active immediately after payment. Path 2. Click on your avatar. Go to Subscriptions and select Add Purchase. Choose the appropriate credits package. Click Pay Now and select a payment method. The credits will become active immediately after payment. If you are using the personal trial version, you cannot purchase additional credits. You need to upgrade your plan to be able to purchase more credits. For enterprise users, please contact your account manager to purchase additional credits. Question 5. Where are credits consumed? In Rendora, credits are consumed in a few key areas, such as editing 3D avatars, text-to-script creation, generating GenAI content, video rendering, and exporting the video. It's worth noting that credits are not consumed in the post-production interface. Question 6. What factors influence credit consumption? Several factors affect how credits are consumed in Rendora. These include the complexity of the chosen scenes, the size of uploaded assets, the frequency of preview modifications, and the duration, resolution, and format of the exported video. For instance, exporting a 2-minute 4K video will consume more credits than exporting a 2-minute 1080p video. Question 7. Will credits be consumed if the operation fails? Of course no. In cases of generation or export failures caused by non-user-related reasons, the credits consumed will be refunded back to your account. And that's it for today's lesson. I hope this video has answered your questions about credits. See you next time.